guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a get ready with me. I have a Christmas in July party, so we have to be all Christmassy and festive. So what more festive than a flannel shirt and some red lips and a super dramatic wing liner. So this is the look that I decided to come up with. This is typically the look that I go for during the holidays. This is probably all you'll see me do during the holidays. I think I did a video last year on Thanksgiving on this exact look, but hey, it's Christmas in July. But yeah, if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so before you get started. So go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, if you guys want to see this look, then just keep on watching. My eyebrows definitely need some work right now. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow in the color medium brown. And this is the Dip Brown pomade. I'm like in a hurry because I don't want my roommate to finish getting ready before me. So I am sweating literally. When Ollie scratches the floor, I freak out because it's usually a spider or an ant or some sort of moving. So I have a Christmas party. It's a Christmas in July party and I'm excited because it is the first time that I attend one. I'm not like huge on parties, like I am not a party girl at all. A couple years ago, definitely, but now, oh my god, talk about 360. So I just like don't do well in parties, but I'm working on it. So this is a big step for me. It's so hard to film with a dog. I would have never thought that having Ollie would be so hard to film. But this guy like needs so much attention. I honestly just like want to shout all you moms out right now. Because I'm sure like if it's hard with a dog, it has to be hard with like children. So to all you moms out there, I know one of my friends, Frances, she is a mama of 2 boys and she's pregnant, and that girl, let me just say, she kills the game. Like, I love her so much. If you guys don't follow her, you should definitely check her out. Her name is Frances Michelle and I love her. She is such a sweetheart. Her videos are so funny because she's so outgoing on her videos. She's like, hola chicas, and she like kills me because she's so like out there. And I'm like, hey guys, what's up? Just chilling. I'm super like Todd White. Yeah, guys. By the way, if you guys don't know who Todd White is, I want you guys to Google him or go on YouTube and type in Todd White and check out his like preachings. He is like an evangelist, and that guy is so good. I love him so much. I have had the opportunity of seeing him twice, or once or twice, I'm not sure, and he's so good. I love him so much. He's very like, yeah, Jesus loves you, bro. I love him. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my brows using the Brow Gal eyebrow fiber gel, and this is in the color medium or 02. And to prep my lids, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This is in the shade Light 2.75 Canelli. We always go through this. Same thing, guys. Rarely change my products. Go ahead and carve out my brows. So to do my eye look, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and if you guys don't remember, this palette was very popular a couple months ago. These 2 shades came broken in the mail. I don't know. But, so what I'm going to do is take the first shade in this palette, which is this shade right here. I believe it is called Universal. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to take this also all over my lid. I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here, and I'm going to take that and actually just put that all over my lid. I'm going to go in with a color that's a little bit darker, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here, it is kind of like a burnt red, and I'm gonna keep that on the outer. Moving on, I'm gonna prime my face, and I'm gonna be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer and just put some of this all over my face. Foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and this is in the color Dawn. Just brush this on all over my face. Okay guys, I am having major technical difficulty issues right now. My camera has shut off like 4 times due to memory, which is so strange because I have like a full card available. But anyways, I keep looking at the viewfinder because I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't shut off on me. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the color Teen Fair. I haven't used this concealer in a long time. To set my concealer, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder, of course. This is all I've been using lately. So while I let that powder sit, I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face, and I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Illuminating Bronzer, and this is in the color Brawn 03. So for blush, I'm going to take my Milani Rose de Oro blush and just lightly dust this on my cheeks. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus highlight, and for highlight I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie collaboration in the color Fuego. And I'm going to go ahead and put every eyeshadow that I used for my crease and just buff those colors out on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to do my liner, and I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar ink liner. So for mascara, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Mascara. So I actually want to do a red lip, which I know is so different because I never do a bright lip, but it's a Christmas party, so why not? I'm going to go in with this NYX liner. This is in the color Red. It just says red. Line my lips. And for lips, I'm going to take this ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the color Creeper. Okay guys, and that completes this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this holiday Christmas in July get ready with me party. I do apologize if it is not the best kind of video I put up, but I just had so many technical difficulties during this filming, so it really did suck. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyways, leave any comments down below for any future suggestions that you guys may have, and yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.